Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my haul and unboxing video. I'm talking really fast because I'm in a hurry, but I really want to get all of these things out there in the open so you can be like, hey, this bitch has that. Haha. Maybe that's just me. It's probably just me, and that's fine. No, this is not fast forward. This is how fast I fucking talk sometimes. Anyway, so I got some more body scrub by Tree Hut, the Shea Sugar Scrub. Almond and honey. I've never seen this one before. It's probably going to be another one of those things where I'm in the shower and I feel like eating my fucking arm. To be continued whenever it's in my fucking Empties video. How about that, meow? Followed by 2 sheet masks, because I finally have an inventory again. So these are both by Nature from New Zealand. Cool. Anyway, so I have the Purifying Charcoal and Manuka Honey. I don't know what the fuck that is. Anyway, yeah, so this shit, it's fine. And then again, same brand, Coffee and Coconut Oil Awakening Face Mask.
Wake up tired skin with uplifting aromatic roasted coffee combined with the nourishment of Pacific coconut oil.
You gotta love what they put on shit. Like, how true is that? I don't know, but I'm still gonna put it on my face, so look at that. I have samples. 3 of them are from Will, and I'm so excited. And so now that I've done this, guess what, bitch? I get to use them. This fucking sucks. I don't remember what these stand for. These are 3 MAC. 2 of them are foundation. 1 is concealer. NW10 SF. So that's Studio Fix. This is Studio Fix right here. NW15 PLLF. Fuck. Insert something here. NW15 PLC. I'm assuming that's concealer because C means concealer. So I went to MAC and was harassing Will before dinner, and he wanted to, and I really wanted him to, fix my makeup because that was the day that I filmed a Get Ready With Me, and wow, whoops, sorry, kicked the camera. Fuck, I used the wrong foundation and then said fuck it and used a different foundation that was still wrong. No, because then I took it off. Oh, I remember now. I used the dirty brush with the correct foundation, but it still transferred some of the old foundation with the actual foundation, and I was orange, kind of. Had an orangish hint, so he decided to fix it. So I took all my makeup off, and this lady over at the Elizabeth Arden counter noticed how red my face was. I was like, wow, I could sit here and be ugly and get free samples. This is fucking awesome. So I got the Superstart Skin Renewal Booster that I'm going to be trying 2 times a day. I think she wanted me to use it like immediately, but I had to film it first, but I didn't want to tell her that. But anyway, it's pretty fucking cool. She's like, hey, you need help. I'm like, yes, I do. You got a couch, you need some therapy. Anyway, that's all I got for today. So, as always, it's all gonna be listed down yonder and all that shit. But anyway, until the next one. Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my beauty haul and unboxing. I might have to, I don't know if I'll be able to film later or not, because I will be picking up a couple small things today, but maybe I'll set it aside. I have a miniature Ulta haul to share with you, and then I gotta run and go do some adult things that I don't want to do. So I got this Ulta Beauty Super Blender blending sponge, and the other brush, what am I even saying? The other sponge that I have of this style, the what I call butt plug style, is by e.l.f. I'm hoping that this keeps up better than that one, if that makes sense. I have the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I have used this before. I currently have the green cucumber situation. I wanted to get the other one that I haven't tried yet, but apparently I had a brain lapse, and it is what it is. So next thing is the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub Bohemian Escape. So I think this might be like a springtime special whatever in turmeric. Dude, this is one of those ones that like I'm gonna end up like licking myself or something. Oh, dude, it smells so fucking good. Like, that's ridiculous. I might need to retire one of my brushes because I have a problem, but I got a new foundation brush. This is a Morphe M439. So excited. I wanted to use this today, but I didn't want to show it off dirty. Like, come on now.
And this is almost good enough to where I should keep it for a first impressions Get Ready With Me, which I don't know why I'm saying that now because that's just something else for me to do.
But I have new foundations. Oh my god. So many things. The last 2 things are sheet masks. Haha! Both are by Tony Moly. One is Vitalizing I'm Rose sheet mask. I'm really excited to try this. I've tried other masks by them and I absolutely love it. And then I have the Moisturizing I'm Aloe sheet mask, which, yo, holy shit, it's afternoon and I only have a few hours to get things done. Anyway, until the next one. Hey guys, and welcome to another portion of my haul and unboxing video. Yeah, wasn't planning on doing this tonight, so excuse the mess. I've had like at least a thing or two sitting around for days, and then today was kind of meh. So I stopped at Ulta and picked up a few things, and here we are. And I just want to do a quick shout out to Missy for making me this scarf. Look at it, it's so pretty, and it's an infinity scarf. I wasn't planning on taking it off, but here we go. This totally counts as haul and unboxing, more so unboxing and review. Look how beautiful this is. I'm so excited. I need more infinity scarves. I wore it today. Seriously, I had this thing on all fucking day. Really? My battery just said full and now it's red. How do you go from 4 bars to red? Explain yourself. My tried and true Equate makeup pad wipe things. I think it's new packaging. Like, they changed the packaging on me. So I'm really praying to fucking God that they're the same because I'm not ready for change right now. I have a shampoo and a conditioner, Love Beauty and Planet, coconut water and mimosa flower, volume and bounty, shampoo and conditioner. I've been eyeballing these for a very long time now, so I finally said, fuck it, I'm gonna try it. Alright, let's jump right into my Ulta haul, and Jesus Christ. Happy birthday, you deserve it. What the fuck? It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Strength Volumizing Mascara. Didn't even know this was in my bag. That lady hooked me up. Holy shit. The Olay Sensitive Hungarian Water Essence Calming Liquid Cleanser. Their Olay products are like buy one get one 50% off, so I was like fuck it, because I totally picked up another Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. Definitely need like another moisturizer. I'm only down to a couple now. Of course, I picked up Old Faithful, now becoming the new Old Faithful. The Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub and Matcha Mojito. I have 2 sheet masks by Tony Moly. I have the Nourishing Lime Honey sheet mask, and then I have the Refreshing I'm Orange. I got this because I thought of Tim, because he calls me Orange and I'm Orange, so cuteness moment is over, and until then. Hello and welcome back to another portion of my haul and unboxing. Excuse the lighting, I had a very small window of opportunity to film and I literally didn't have time to get everything out. Let me try one more thing here. Yeah, not even sure if that's fucking helping. It's fine, whatever, I don't even care. So I have a Avon order and just a random thing I got at Sam's. I got 3 more Olay body washes, the Orchid and Blackcurrant, White Strawberry and Mint, and then the Birch Water and Lavender. So my Avon order, something that I picked something up for Tim. It is called End of the Line. It's a stretch mark minimizing lotion. He's kind of riding the struggle bus there. He's lost a lot of weight and I decided to, see if that works for him. So maybe when it's empty, I'll give it a follow-up. It's probably gonna be in a video maybe next year. Who the hell knows if I'm still doing this? I don't know. Again, this is from Avon. They have a new line called Aspira and a metabolism boost energy pill kind of deal. I just started this the other day. We'll see how it goes. It's basically just like a caffeine pill. Like, we'll see. 2 Avon Footworks deodorizing sprays. We all know the story there. And then I have 3 Avon Senses 5 fluid ounce body washes. I have 1 in vanilla, 1 in pomegranate and mango. I have used that one before. I honestly don't know if I've used the vanilla because this one, it looks different than the other ones. And then I know I have not tried this one yet, is the Starfruit and Coconut. Definitely looking forward to trying those. And last thing, I have Old Faithful, the Avon True Eye Primer. The other one that I have right now is so close to being gone, it's not even funny. Anyway, that's all I have for this, and until the next one.